Hi, this is Nihan. Let's talk about the last planet and the eighth planet from the Sun, Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. It's actually cold. It's actually blue in color. Actually, this is what Neptune picture. Voyager 2 just reached Neptune, and it just took 12 years for Voyager 2 to reach Neptune. So Neptune was the last ice giant was discovered with the telescope. Uranus was already discovered. Actually, Neptune is not the coldest planet. It's Uranus is the coldest planet. You know why? If you don't know, listen to this. So Uranus is the coldest because it got the coldest atmosphere, but Neptune doesn't have the colder one. Actually, Neptune also got some rings. So 6 rings. There's 5 rings around it that got name, and 6 rings. 6 rings doesn't got a name. Neptune also has a big dark spot that is a storm that can be the size of the entire Earth. So when they discovered with the telescope, then the great dark spot was gone, and the other dark spot appeared here. Neptune also is a gas giant, the last gas giant of our solar system. And so Mercury is the closest, so Neptune is the farthest. We go all the way closest to farthest. So Neptune is the farthest, and there's maybe other planets there, but Neptune touches the Kuiper belt full of bodies and dwarf planets. Neptune Neptune is the windiest planet. If you land on Neptune's surface and doing ice skating, it's going to be all mushy and mushy. And then you're going to fall off of the surface. This is because Neptune actually is cold. Neptune can just reach all the way to the bottom of Neptune. Neptune is a gas planet that has poisonous gases, clouds that is in the sky like Earth. And Neptune's winds can go up to 300 miles per hour. That's fast. Even the fastest hurricane on Earth, that is the fastest wind. And Earth got the So if Earth got the fastest wind, Neptune got more faster wind. Other planets also got more faster wind than Neptune. Neptune also is the farthest. Also doesn't get any sunlight, but it just gets only a teeny tiny bit of sunlight reaching it. But the poisonous gases just make it into ice particle that never ever turns into heat. It goes all the way down, and other planets was discovered when Neptune was early. As Mercury takes 88 days for Mercury to orbit the Sun, Neptune is so farther than Mercury that it takes a big year before Neptune orbits around the Sun. Neptune is the last planet. So Neptune is cold because the Sun got heat, and the heat doesn't reach it. A little bit of them reach it, but it just turns into ice.
Done.